I also ordered you a blanket at the cinema, just in case you get cold.
Ba't mo sinabi?
At the cinema at the
Ingay naman ni Chris eh. Ayoko na nga.
what did I say?
Ang ingay mo. Secret nga.
Ingay ba? Oh shoot.
Ano ba yan? Ang ingay-ingay naman. Tsaka di ka pa nga nagpapaalam kay Katie. Papaalam pa tayo kay Katie.
Ayoko nga. Sige.
O cinema ka dyan.
Okay, maliligo na ako.
Paalam ka muna kay Katie. Katie, come here. Papaalam lang kami daw sa'yo.
Katie,
Na? Ayan na.
where's my baby girl? Hi there, baby. Does Peanut smell good now?
Yes, kakaligo lang. Kiss.
Oy. Katie, is it okay if I take your mom out on a date tonight?
Yes.
Aba? Yes.
Pa kaya akyat?
Huh?
Via akyat.
12, okay. Sige.
Ano ko nagkakita-tuition?
Ah, sige pa. Hey, hey. Picture tayo, baby. What? Picture tayo. Wait. Smile, baby, with Peanut. 1, 2, 3. Eh, tinapan mo yung mukha mo. 1, 2.
Siya.
Yon!
Yon!
Kuya siya. Kuya siya.
I'm not like you. I cannot.
That's what I do.
Yes, I know. I cannot.
Why not?
I don't.
You controlled it.
I cannot. I cannot. I'm shy.
You're shy?
I am shy.
So, kapal yung face mo.
Paglasing siguro. Sabi ni Ate Elay, mag-skirt ka.
Skirt?
Hoy, Te Elay, ang lamig, no? Hindi, oy. Sabi niya, para cute. I'm sorry, I don't wanna be cute.
Next time, baby.
Hi, pretty scar. Miss B and Mr. B, yes. Sorry, Mr. B, wala ka namang camera, so turn off ko na lang yung light.
Sige. It's too bright for you?
Eh, kasi baka bright sa'yo, ikaw nagda-drive eh. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
So, mahirap to ha, nagla-live tayo, tapos kailangan din natin mag-shoot nito, guys.
Hmm.
Okay, multitask para tumigil ang mga iyakin.
Sino ba umiiyak?
Si Mommy Envy.
Hanap sila ng ayuda?
Nang ano, namimiss ka kasi, namimiss nila daw tayo.
Oh, I missed them too. I was actually gonna go live today, pero baka ma-distract pa ako. Alam mo naman ako sa ADHD ko.
Yes, mga my loves.
Ang dami kong inaanbang. At
So, pasensya na kung hindi nakapag-live dahil si Mr. B marami siyang liligpitin. Okay?
As-
Kanina nagrereklamo siya na dumating daw siyang malinis yung room niya. Ngayon ay madumi ulit.
parang may dumaan na tornado. Parang may dumaan na typhoon. Who's there? Knock knock.
Knock-knock was there. Walang traffic in fairness kasi Friday
Oo nga, no?
ngayon, guys.
But usually Friday has traffic, huh?
Pero parang holiday kasi walang school, di ba? And wala siguro pasok. Guys, I'm sorry, di ko mabasa kasi nandoon ang phone. Di ko mabasa. Kailangan ko pa gumanyan. So,
Oy, oy.
oh my gosh, effort.
So, we have to call the
When
Rubs
are you
people.
going live on the Black app? Okay, magla-live si Mr. B sa Sunday 10 p.m. Pero Hindi pa sure. Pag sure na, mapapagawa ko ng poster sa kanya para ma-promote niya, okay?
Are you gonna tell them why I'm going live?
Ba't ka ba mag-a-announce ata si Mr. B ng hindi ko alam sa kanya? Ano announce mo doon?
Whatever I'm doing. Ikaw ang nagtawag sa akin. Kung pwede akong live.
So, ayun. Meron siyang ewan ko, ka-PK ata. Ka-PK? Para sila, mga singer sila daw.
Oh,
So,
it's a singer thing.
Hindi natin sure.
It's a singer-thinger.
Pag sure na gagawa tayo ng poster.
Look at all those people at the mall.
Anong nangyari?
They're
Maraming tao?
like nakapila.
Baka uwi na kasi sila.
Uwi na sila.
Anong oras na? Ah, maaga pa.
Maaga pa ba? Oras na.
Ano, 8:25 pa lang pala.
Oh, see?
May ticket na tayo.
Yes!
Bakit may blanket doon?
Basta may blanket. I requested it.
Talaga na-request mo or may nakalagay na may blanket?
May nakalagay. I requested it. I said, do you have a blanket because my date gets cold?
B, I want to meet Miss Kylie Padilla.
Bakit mo yung...
Bakit daw?
Bakit sa akin mo hinahanap?
Bakit mo daw hinahanap? Nakikita ko si Kylie, nagla-live siya sa TikTok. So, na-active niya siya doon. Active siya sa Black App. Guys. So, if you want to see her, go.
Well, she is my friend's, one of my really good friend's girlfriend. So maybe that's why they're asking me. Kasi baka alam nila na kaibigan ako ni Gino. Guys, am I gonna sing it? Oh, my face.
You're speaking Kylie.
Is this where I always get a ticket?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
I always get something in the mail, and it's always at that intersection.
So, ayun na. Mga my loves, kamusta kayo guys? Maulan na gabi guys.
Are you reading their comments or hindi mo mabasa?
Hindi ko mabasa. Uy, maduduling ako dyan.
Wanna use these?
Drive safe. Bakit? Para saan to?
Mabasa mo.
Ha? Loko-loko. Parang wala naman tayo nabasa. Drive safe and... Oh, ano nabasa ko, no?
Talaga?
Eme. Ito naman, naniwala din.
You know me, I'm gullible.
Miss Kai is always live on Black App. Yes, yes, yes. Always. Nakikita ko siya.
Maybe she got a contract.
Baka.
Alright, so we're gonna have to sift to the right. Over here. Oh my gosh. Excuse me.
Be careful. Hope all my Friday.
It's a Friday. Oh, that's a good one. Friday.
Friday. Okay, meron na tayong title. It's Friday.
Friday. For Spider-Man. Would you be embarrassed if...
Ganon. Dali, i-record natin. Tapos, sayawin natin. Meron ng AI na Ano yun? Ida-download yung AI na gumagawa ng music?
Here, why don't you do this?
Oh.
Let's download it and then do an upload and see if you get a copyright strike. If you don't get a copyright strike, we'll use that music and then we'll dance to that one.
Tanong natin. Guys, kapag nag-download kami ng, ang ginamit naming music, Bleeding Love na ipapaareglo namin kay AI, maka-copyright ba yon? Kasi kung hindi, gagawa namin yun ng music video ni Mr. B. I-record namin, guys. Sama natin yung recording.
It's gonna, no matter what happens, it's gonna copyright strike because it's not our song.
Wag daw.
Yes.
Wag daw, wag daw.
We're gonna get a copyright strike no matter what because it's not our song.
So, wala. Stop! Ouch! Pinalo. Parang may lamok. Hi, Ice Boo!
Ice
Hey,
Boo!
12:30 a.m. New Zealand now. Have fun and good night. Good night, Ice Boo. I love
Guys.
you. I love you, everybody.
Thank you so much sa 50 million views!
Dahil yan nung dumating ka, maagang nagising sila, kaya nag-view na agad sila.
Oh my God.
Tapos di sila natulog kasi magdamag silang nag-antay ng live natin or ng upload daw natin.
Diba, I remember yesterday I told you, I said, siguro before my birthday, okay na yan. Eh, grabe, pagising ko, okay na pala.
O, diba? 8:30 gising na ako, okay na.
OMG.
Thank you so much, everybody.
The
So,
best.
hindi na namin gagawin yung Bleeding Love kasi magka-copyright lang pala.
Thank you. You wanna close your eyes kasi baka mahilo ka? I am planning to park on the 4th.
Akala ko I am planning to close my eyes. Just, paano tayo paikot tong drive tapos i-close mo yung eyes mo habang
Ay, we're on the Cinema 3. What floor is Cinema 3?
hindi ko din alam. Baka what building?
Hindi ko alam.
Well, anyways, iba-iba kasi yung itka-text.
Ano?
And then one time, nahuli kita na meron kang kasex. Tapos
Paano?
lasing ka pa na magpa-crucify. Kasi, ito, parking ang Chris.
Ang layo.
Okay, fine. Meron pa ba?
Ang layo.
We waited fireworks when it was 5 p.m.
Woohoo!
Thank you so much, everybody. Oh, Chris.
It's
Crazy.
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 Wala atang parking. Ayan. Wala ako.
You know, we should go up one because... Oh, fuck.
Ayun na nga. Okay na nga yung maglalakad eh. Kulit mo eh.
You see? Let's look good at you.
Of course. Ano ba? Ito, si Kuya Alice. Ito. Ay, hindi pala kaka-park lang. Things with glasses are more pretty, teacher. Naka-English na naman tayo, te.
Oh, you're on...
Okay. Wow, super pretty. Thank you so much. As if you were a student. I am a student.
No,
I am.
You look like a teacher with those glasses.
No?
Yeah.
Look! Hello, mukhang high school.
Bro, you look like
Paano
a teacher.
naging teacher? Excuse me.
Teacher.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Sabi ko sa'yo, doon na sa likod kanina eh. Wala nga parking kasi.
I'm sorry. Because I didn't want you to walk so far.
Okay lang.
But you know what? We could use that exercise, right?
Mm-mm.
Because we need to get our steps in. Oh, man.
Doon sa kanina.
One more floor, one more floor.
Okay. No sound? Naku, wala.
Baka sila yun.
Kayo- Ando kayo Japan. Okay, guys.
Mga pogi na, no? Land Cruiser.
Magpapaalam ako pag nakapark na kami ha. Kasi ang pangat naman na hawak-hawak ko yan habang walking. Tapos meron pa tayo nito. Diba? Paano na? Ano? Merong sound. I love you, everybody.
Close open door, I didn't feel the pain. Feel the same summer.
Ito.
You wanna go here?
Kahit saan
Feeling
bala.
ko dami.
Okay, go. Pwede po pasilip kay Mr. B. Mr. B, hubad.
Ooh.
Hubad!
Here?
Pasilip daw.
Sure.
Charot lang, guys. Sabi mo kasi pasilip eh. Ayun siya. Oh. Pakita naman kay Mr. B. Ayan siya, guys.
Here's
Oh.
how. And that is how it's done. Hey everybody, how is you? All right, Miss B.
Paano na, guys, Ano yan, Mr. B? What's that? Ay, isa pala kami sa lamin. Okay.
Emma, mommy.
Congratulations daw, Mr. B.
Thank you everybody.
Dahil sa inyo yan, guys.
Honestly, dahil sa inyo yan. For sure. 100%.
Anong
100%. Ano?
AB?
AB?
AB.
What's AB? AB, what's AB?
Anong building? A or B?
Ah. We're just gonna go and find out.
Ba't hindi mo tingnan?
I just know it's on the Cinema 3. As soon as we get in, we're gonna ask the guard, because there's a guard right there. We're gonna be like, hey, where's the cinema? And he's just gonna say this.
Okay, go.
Right? Are you bringing this or no?
Bag ko! Hi! Yes, yung ilaw, Hi! Hindi nakakita sa amin, guys. Hi, Celeste! Hi, everybody! So, eto na si Mr. B, guys.
Hey, everybody. This is not working.
Okay.
I brought a jacket just in case.
Nagdala siya ng jacket ko, guys. Jacket niya, pero ako yung gagamit pag nilamig ako.
For sure. Hungry?
Yes! Tingin tayong food. Para daw tayong professor at student. Bye-bye na, guys. Bye na, everybody.
Cinema 3.
Bye. I love you, everybody. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mr. B.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you soon. It's our Friday.
Bye.